What was your high school's insane scandal? At my high school, there was this legendary scandal that still gets talked about to this day. Our principal, who was known for being super strict, was constantly lecturing us about integrity and discipline. One day, rumors started swirling that something big was about to break, and sure enough, it did. Turns out the principal had been having a secret relationship with a lunch lady for over a year. But that's not even the craziest part. Someone caught them sneaking around on camera during after hours at school. The footage got leaked to a group chat, and within a day, the entire student body knew about it. People were joking that he had been grading more than tests, while others called it Operation Meatloaf since it happened near the cafeteria. The school tried to keep it quiet, but it spread like wildfire. Both of them resigned a week later, and for the rest of the year, no one could look at the cafeteria the same way.